OpenClaw just became the fastest growing AI project in history. 150,000 developers, over 100,000 users who gave an AI agent full autonomous access to their digital lives. CNBC called it the most talked about AI tool of the year. IBM wrote about it. Fortune covered it. Palo Alto Networks called it a lethal trifecta of security risks. During the Super Bowl, a company built on OpenClaw ran an ad, and the site crashed when millions of people rushed to claim their own AI agent. It was the top-performing ad of the entire night. And just days ago, the creator announced he's joining OpenAI. Now here's why every Amazon seller needs to pay attention. Somebody used their OpenClaw agent to negotiate $4,200 off a car. The agent searched pricing data across regions, contacted multiple dealers by email, and played hardball with their sales tactics. The owner was in a meeting the entire time. Same week, same technology. Somebody else's agent glitched and fired off 500 messages to his wife, his contacts. Rapid fire, couldn't stop it. One saved thousands. The other carpet bombed a contact list. Same architecture. The only difference was the instructions. That gap between saving money and causing chaos, that's the exact gap Amazon sellers are about to face. Hi, my name is Mike Din, Non-Din's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We have sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012. We're your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe to join the AI revolution. So, what is OpenClaw? It's an open source AI agent framework that lets you give an AI autonomous access to your computer, your apps, your data. It launched in late January, went through 3 name changes in 3 days, and within 6 weeks had 150,000 GitHub stars. This isn't a chatbot. This is an AI that actually does things. It manages your email, controls your calendar, browses the web, and negotiates on your behalf. The use cases people are building tell you exactly where e-commerce is heading. So what did 100,000 people actually build? The number one use case is complete email management. Not help me write a reply. Full inbox control. Think about your Seller Central inbox right now. Supplier threads, return requests, policy notifications. The number one thing people want AI to do is make the inbox stop being a full-time job. Number 2 was morning briefings. Picture that for your Amazon business. A message every morning. Your top 3 ASINs lost sessions, ad spend jumped, or products are near stockout. A briefing that comes to you. One agent couldn't book a restaurant through the app, so it downloaded voice software and called directly, on its own. That's the same capability that negotiated a car deal and wiped a database. One OpenClaw power user built an entire AI operations system on a laptop sitting on his desk. His AI reads every email and builds a knowledge base automatically. He built a council of AI agents, a growth strategist, a revenue guardian, a skeptical operator. Every night, they pull in his business data and debate each other. The whole system? $150 a month. Now imagine that same architecture pointed at your Amazon business. Advertising data, profitability, and inventory velocity. Someone is doing it right now. The real power is building a library of knowledge that every AI agent can pull from. You find an article or a video, and the AI grabs it, transcribes it, and stores it. Real data, real sources. That's the difference between generic answers and AI that actually knows your business. You need several smaller libraries for competitor intelligence, policy changes, and advertising data. At Seller Labs, we discovered something. Every person on our team was getting different answers from the same AI. The difference was context. Some had detailed context files, others started fresh. Most sellers open ChatGPT cold. No context, no data. They get a generic answer and decide AI doesn't work. AI works fine. You never gave it anything to work with. A couple of well-built context files go a long way. You need a few documents that tell the AI who you are and what you sell. The latest models like Claude improve on that context themselves, but skipping that foundation is where things go wrong. Over 40% of AI agent projects are predicted to be canceled. One agent ignored instructions and wiped a production database. It fabricated success because nobody gave it away to admit failure. The car negotiation had clear constraints. The text message glitch happened because someone walked away. The spec made the difference. Research backs this up. The consistent answer for dividing work with AI is 70-30. 70% human control, 30% delegated. Human-in-the-loop systems show huge improvements. 5 things for this week. 1. Start your knowledge library. Put it anywhere your AI can access it. 2. Build a Monday morning briefing. Ask what changed in the last 7 days I should know about. 3. Design for 70-30. 4. Write instructions like an SOP for a VA. The spec determines the output. 5. Ask what assumptions the AI made. That one question separates truth from noise. This is just the beginning. AI agents can optimize your advertising, listing, and research right now. The question is whether you're building the foundation or still downloading spreadsheets. At Seller Labs, we built the MCP server to connect your data directly to AI. No manual downloads, your sales, advertising, and inventory always connected. That's the foundation we've been talking about. The OpenClaw revolution proved AI agents will either save you thousands or cost you everything. Which seller are you going to be? Drop your task in the comments. See you in the next one.